As you already may know, the use of digital marketing is nowadays mandatory for the capture of leads and new customers. But with the evolution of this market and the evolution of strategies and tools, today it has become possible and very common to schedule consultations and sell events through online scheduling applications, which is essential for service providers, consultants, and other businesses. With Builderall's Booking App, you can also create multiple types of appointments where the users can reserve appointments in your agenda, which you make available according to your convenience. Ideal for mentoring, coaching, beauty salons, beauty clinics, health consultations, lawyers, accountants, and so on. You can also create event calendars where the user reserves an available spot to participate, which is ideal for webinars, launches, concerts, seminars, meetings, and etc. And if you have a gym, school, church, or business where recurring events happen, you can create schedules in classroom format where the user can register for recurring events with limited seats. In addition to a super intuitive interface, our calendar system was developed so that any user without any prior knowledge can quickly complete the task of creating a schedule for whatever their needs are. For your convenience and better results, our system has integrations with our website builder, with Google Calendar, Zoom, and Super Checkout, making it possible to charge your customer right at the time of the schedule. Digital marketing agencies and professionals who sell high-value service know the importance of creating the opportunity to speak to the lead, engage, and make sure the lead's interested in their products, thus avoiding chargebacks and cancellations. Some of the exclusive features of the Builderall's Booking App application are integrations with MailingBoss. Your subscriber becomes a lead on your MailingBoss list automatically. Synchronization with Google Calendar. Your appointments are automatically added to Google Calendar, and you have the option to consider busy time in your calendar for new schedules. Integration with Zoom. Booking automatically creates a link for your Zoom meeting and sends it to your subscriber. SMS integration sends confirmation SMS and reminders automatically to your subscribers, confirmation emails, and automated reminders for subscribers and calendar owners and hosts. And after being evaluated by more than 1,000 users, Builderall's Booking application was classified as the best and most complete in the industry, being the #1 choice of thousands of users in different niches.